Hello everyone. In this session, we go discuss about Sanchar Soft. What is the Sanchar Soft? Now, welcome to all of you. Overall, general what presentation in this slide. This presentation basically designed for E5 to E6 module. Who are eligible and benefit for this presentation? That person who got upgradation E5 to E6, and what is the main agenda, main point, main consideration about this slide. This is the last updated 31st December 2021. In this session, what agenda? Introduction to the Sanchar Shop, feature of the Sanchar Shop, and different activity module and user modules. What is the Sanchar Shop? Basically, it is web-based SIM inventory management application for management of operation and maintenance and sales distribution channel. Jointly designed and maintained by the IT Cell Chennai, Kolkata, Chennai Telephone, and ITPC Hyderabad. It is a zonal web server, integrated all IAN and HLR, all activities related to the SIM and RCR automated. Map it to the workflow like from procurement of SIM to the sales at the point of the sale. This location, Chandigarh, Pune, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Coimbatore, we have installed Sanchar Shop. And main feature of Sanchar Shop is that hosted with the Oracle AI 8i server at backend, user access control, security features are inbuilt. All transactions can be traced, accessible on the both Sale1.shop network and MPLS network. Sales and MIS report available at intranet website for all the circle. What is the features? More feature about Sanchar Shop: online procurement, allotment, distribution, and sale, enabling activation of the SIM based on sales CAF data. CAF monitoring like can provide alert through SMS, reconciliation of the sold inventory versus stock, integration of the franchises and commission calculation, access to the franchises for the monitoring retailer, handling of damage, loss, RC, and SIM inventory, the stock report to ensure availability of stores at POS, performance report of CSR, CSC, SSA, franchises, and DSA. Performance of various marketing scheme and live report. System is configured to send the sell information to activation server and CAP information to the billing server. System can be configured to accept IAN information on the SIM activation and deactivation. Franchise commission is the computed based on actual activation. Sanchar Shop is modular, role-based access control and rights, provide full functionality of the sales and distribution channel. Access to the franchises can be provided through broadband VPN. Different types of Sanchar Shop module: plan and product addition, prepaid SIM, postpaid SIM, dummy SIM card, database for GSM, GSM voucher recharge top-up validity, sales module, invoice cancellation and discount, sheet of sales, e-pin sales, fixed line product like FLPP, Call Now, SancharNet, ITC, product conversion. This is the workflow of the Sanchar Shop. We can, in this diagram, you can see there are three layers: circle level, SSA, and sales outlet. Circle layer that vendor, circle marketing, circle office, IAN or HLR directly connected and indirectly also connected. And second level is the SSA level. The SSA level, their account officer server connected to the these circles, and finally sales outlet and customer may be move out to franchises, and customer CSC and CSR and STD PSO direct selling agent. And this is directly franchisee connect to the SSA level AO account officer and somebody if want directly go the marketing through this is directly connected to it. So this is just over idea about workflow of the Sanchar shop and user login. This is such types of a screen you can see inventory management like and you have authorized person allow and given their username password after entering different module as per your possibilities. What possibilities used by the senior officer of the BSNL if you use username password, so they have monitored to the sales activity, monitoring at SSA and circle level, and reporting activation report, SIM activation through the SMS data entry, CAP submitted. Franchisee report also directly accessed by the management login module. A number of franchises in SSA, total purchase and unsold stock with retailers. The SC report he can check list sales reports also can check SIM, RCV, FLPP, CTO. If franchisees log in this Sanchar module, so with proper login, franchisees can carry out the what types of activities: sales entry, activation of the sales, view invoice from the SSA, view unsold SIM information, adding retail FRS, view retailer stock, view allotment and sales information, CAP submission pending data entry and TDS report. If system can log in, so what possible? What he can do? He can add use for the add, edit, and view activities of circle, all India package, regional package, and services package. So this is just overview, and you can here add possibilities, color, and detail. You can monitor here by the possible. Okay. So this is just a screenshot for the considering data entry. How we can see home prepaid like here in a screen. Okay, so retailer franchise directly monitored by the management module. Okay, so some question maybe review on this module. Sanchar Soft is a SIM inventory management application is designed and maintained by IT Cell Chennai, ITPC Hyderabad, both 1 and 2. So in the PPT already know this is the management by the both 1 and 2. So such of MCQ it will help all of you and wish you all the best. Thank you.